Hey Pixel people, we're back with another PXLFLX tutorial. This week we're going over how to create this basic bouncing blue slime in the free pixel art web-based program Piskel. First, let's open Piskel by going to www.piskelapp.com, and I'll put a link in the description below. Now I'll scroll down and click on Create a Sprite. It should load up a new Piskel file, and I'm going to draw out a basic blue slime using the pen tool and selecting colors with the palettes window. Check out my Piskel Basics tutorial if you need to get caught up on how to draw or select colors. After the slime is done, I'll put a black line 4 pixels below it to indicate a shadow and use the Move tool to position it where I want. Then I'll select Add New Frame to make a second frame. In the first frame, I'll select the image with the rectangle selection tool by clicking and dragging it over the image and then copy and paste it into my second frame. I'll draw a black line on the line above the current shadow that is 1 pixel wider on both sides, delete the original shadow with the eraser, and move the image down 1 pixel. I'll repeat this for frames 3 and 4 until the slime is 1 pixel above the shadow and it is as wide as the slime itself. The fifth frame is the landing, so I'll flatten the slime by deleting its bottom row of pixels, filling it out on the sides and the bottom of the mouth. Then I'll put the shadow line directly under the slime, making it 1 pixel wider on both sides, and then move it down 2 pixels. The slime starts to bounce back up in the 6th frame, so I'll select the image in the 4th frame, copy it, and paste it into the 6th frame. Then I'll fill in the bottom of the slime so it touches the shadow and it looks stretched because of its upwards momentum. The 7th frame is the last bouncing up frame before it loops back to the start, so I'll copy frame 6, paste it into frame 7, and move the shadow 2 pixels below the slime and delete 2 pixels from both sides. Then I'll move the image up 2 pixels. Now when I slide the frames per second bar over, I get a preview of the animation at different speeds, and I'm going to slide it all the way to the right to 24 frames per second. If I click the 1x box in the preview window, I can see what the pixel art looks like in its original size, and it's very small, so I want to upscale it. You can do this with the resize option, or in this case, I'm going to use the scale option in the export window. I'll slide the scale bar over to scale it up, in this case to 480 by 480 pixels. Then I'm going to click on download to get a download of the upscaled animated GIF. And there we have our bouncing blue slime looping pixel art animation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or drop a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe.